Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to convert status of lead into customer. From Leads page, click on Leads name. We will see selected lead detail. From Status drop-down button, select Converted option. If we are sure about convert the status of selected lead, then click on Yes button. Status change successfully message will appear. Now, we will see Convert to Customer button near Status option. Click on it. Click on Yes button to convert to customer. In this way, lead assigned successfully. Now, click on Customer button on Dashboard. We can see or search converted leads name in customer directory. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.